από Γερμανία, το πρωί και φοβερή ομίχλη. Τώρα καταρακτώ την βροχή, δεν βλέπεις τίποτα μπροστά σου.
She work a girl, she work a boy, she break it down, she take it low, she's fine as hell, she's about to go. Do the thing right on the floor, and money she making. Look at the way she's shaking, like you wanna touch her, wanna taste her, have you lusting for her? Going crazy, face it. She's so much more than you used to, knows just how to move, seduce you. She's gonna do the right thing, touch the right spot, dancing your lap, ready to pop. She's always ready. She wanted like an info, show you where to meet her, know the late nights and daylight, club jumping if you want a good time. She's gonna give you what you want. Baby, it's a new age, you like my new craze. Let's get together, maybe we can start a new phase. The smokes of the world are lazy, spotlights don't do you justice, baby. Why don't you come over here? You got me saying, hey, oh. Tired of using technology. Why don't you sit down on top of me? Ayo, I'm tired of using technology. I need you right in front of me. In a fantasy, it's plain to see just how it be on me. Backstroke and sweat soaking all into my set sheets. But you ready to ride, I'm ready to roll. I'll be in this bitch till the club close. What should I do on fours? But at that shit you against the law. Different style, different mood. Damn, I like the way you move. You got me thinking about all the things I do to you. Let's get it poppin', shorty. We can switch positions from the couch to the counters of my kitchen. Baby, it's a new age. You like my new craze. Let's get it together, maybe we can start a new phase. The smoke of the global lazy, spotlights don't do you justice, baby. Why don't you come over here? You got me saying, hey, oh, I'm tired of using technology. Why do you sit down on top of me? Hey, oh, I'm tired of using technology. I need you right in front of me. She wants it, ooh, she wants it. She wants it, I gotta give it to her. She wants it, she wants it, she wants it, I gotta give it to her.